So hey guys, as we all know, the smartphone industry is expanding rapidly and introducing new tech. A popular example of this is the foldable phone, which is currently offered by all other manufacturers besides Apple. Additionally, companies are working hard to develop innovative phone models for customers like the rollable phone Oppo lately presented. Following that, for many years, Samsung Display and LG Display have been developing flexible and foldable display technologies. And just before leaving the mobile industry in 2021, LG was about to unveil its first product using the foldable display technology. Yes, the company specifically created a rollable phone. Even though LG was never able to offer the phone to the general public, some senior LG employees and engineers apparently had access to purchase it. And now on YouTube, a new video describing the so-called LG Rollable has been released. This video was made possibly by one employee who purchased the rollable device before LG shut down its mobile division globally. This video lets us see what Samsung's possibly stronger competitor in foldable rollable device market may have given, despite the fact that the LG Rollable will never have the opportunity to compete with Samsung's foldable and future rollable smartphones. While being a phone from the previous year, this LG Rollable phone has some really impressive features. Apparently, this also would have been LG's first smartphone to ditch physical buttons for power and volume controls and instead use capacitive keys. The LG Rollable, according to video, is loaded with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC, 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage and a 4500 mAh battery. The front of the device has a 6.8 inches flexible POLED display that extends to a bigger 7.4 inches screen. The LG Rollable has a dual camera setup on the back featuring a 64 megapixel primary camera with OIS and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. It also has a circular fingerprint scanner located just beneath the rear facing camera modules. Surprisingly, the LG Rollable lacks a standard power button and volume rocker. Instead, touch sensitive buttons on the left side allows users to switch on the display and change the volume. The rollable part of the display does appear to have some screws, despite the fact that having a rollable display prevents the phone from having a screws like Samsung's foldable. Additionally, the rollable area of the display has a weak technical foundation than the rest of it, which causes it to bend easily under pressure. LG might have solved the issue in the later version, but the company has no plans to introduce a new smartphone anytime soon. Nevertheless, other manufacturers are working on smartphones with rollable displays, so you might be able to get your hands on one in the future. So what do you think of this LG's rollable phone? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.